Average guy tested, average guy approved. I want to thank my buddy Mike Solano from M Creations Print Studio for sending me this snazzy t-shirt. Actually sent me a few, some stickers and decals. If you need print materials, guys, if you need t-shirts, if you'd like one of these t-shirts, let me know. But I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check out M Creations Print Studio. Talk to Mike, let him know the average guy sent you, and he'll hook you up. Sunday shave, guys, I promised. I'm going to do a shave off between an upstart from Walgreens, their EASYFIT 5 blade, which says right on the box, they're not being shy about it, guys, compare to Fusion. Sucker for marketing, guys. I was in Walgreens and this went BAM! Here's the Gillette product. Very nice, guys, especially if you're a New York Knicks fan, because you've got the orange and the blue, right? And some gray here. Solid, guys. So here is said Walgreens 5 razor. Very nice. Certainly an upgrade from the 3. Again, to me, guys, it looks like a chic product. Maybe it's made by the same manufacturer. All right, so you've got your 5 blades, lube strip up top. You've got your rubber guide down here, and comparable to Gillette, if you pull this back, bam, precision trimmer up top here. So from a blade standpoint, similar blades, 5 and 5, precision trimmer, lube and rubber guides, significant protection on both of these razors. But guys, where the proof will be in the pudding, at least I believe, is look at the form factor of the razors. All right, look how thick this is compared to your Fusion. Not as bad as the difference between the 3 and the Mach 3. But as I said, comparable handles, guys. I think the nod from a design standpoint, quality and finish standpoint is going to go to Gillette. This feels more substantial. I love the design elements here, the cutout here. It just, you know, look, they've been around for a long time. Gillette knows what they're doing. But this is not a bad razor handle. It's chrome with orange. Feels somewhat substantial, guys. I was told that these blades will fit each other, but I don't think that's the truth. So here's the EASYFIT 5 blade, and here's the Mach handle. So if you wanted to go the cheap route, yes, it does. It does. So if you wanted to go on the cheaper route, you were happy with this blade, if you try the EASYFIT 5 and you like it, you can use the EASYFIT 5 cartridges, which will save you some money, and the Gillette handle. All right? But today we're going to do a straight up face-to-face. Okay, guys, so I'm going to start with the contender. I've got the lather on my face, fresh out of the shower. So I'm giving these razors the best advantage. So the EASYFIT 5. Now I'm going to shave with the grain on the first pass. So the hair on my face is growing down this way. So I'm going to shave with the grain and go down with it. So we'll give the contender its first shot. Right off the bat, nice and smooth, guys. And unlike the 3, the EASYFIT 3, I'm feeling a lot more contact of those blades. Now, they're 2 extra blades, so maybe that's what's doing it. But it feels nice, guys. Nice, smooth, lots of protection. Look at all that protection. And the head, the pivoting head works very nice, guys. Nicely. Just shaving half of the face. But I'll tell you what. I'm going to tell you what. Walgreens is representing today. With the EASYFIT 5, they've come to play. All right, so we'll flip this around upside down because the hair on my neck and many of your necks grows upward. I'm going to shave with the grain, so I'm flipping this around and shaving up. Nice firm, but not too firm with the strokes, guys, because you're shaving, you're not digging. Now, why I say you don't want to dig, because you don't want to cut the hair too short. You want to cut it right at the surface of the skin or slightly above. You don't want to manipulate the skin where you're cutting your hair shorter, because what happens is, for some folks who have curlier hair, if you cut that hair too short, it can get caught in the epidermis as it grows, and it can curl within itself, causing ingrown hairs or shave bumps, pain, you know. So let the device do the work, and this has a nice weight to it. All right, one side of the face in the books. I'll steam up, lather up, and we'll get Gillette up. Here is the champ. You know it. I mean, we've all been shaving with these for years, guys. Come on. All right, let's go. First pass with the grain. Here we go. Oh, that's smooth. That's smooth. Oh, smooth. You hear those blades doing the work? Nice. No nicks, no tugs, no worries about cuts, and lots of contact. Just a better experience, better mechanism. The spring action of the cartridge is better. This is a little, you know, it's just a little more plasticky. It's not as solid, it's hollow. Doesn't feel seated on as well as this one does. Look at that. There's no shimmy, no shake, no sound. Just smooth. Smooth like Chris Smooth. So I'm going to give kudos to both guys, and I'm going to give the edge to Gillette. I mean, let's face it, they've been in the game for a long period of time. They make the supreme cartridge razor. But if you are looking for value on the back end, so the cartridges, this is very similar. Has a very similar feel. It's not far off. So all in all, guys, two very nice razors. You really can't go wrong with either. For my money, I'm going to stick with the Gillette Fusion5. But if you're ticked off at Gillette, or you're just looking for a better value on the back end, cartridges for Gillette are like paying for a mortgage. Let's face it. But they make damn good products, guys. They make damn good products. Similar feel here. Very comparable to, more comparable, I think, to the Schick product. The Schick 5 cents, the Hydro 5. But a very nice shave indeed. And again, on the value end of the spectrum, over time, when you go to buy cartridges, you're really going to see a difference. I'm going to leave links below so you can pick up both of these products. I'll also leave a link below for the website for M Creations Print Studio. Check out Mike's shop, guys. Let him know the average guy sent you. And let me know if you want one of these t-shirts. Maybe we can work that out. Average guy tested, average guy approved. Get out and have a great Sunday. I'll see you next time, which will probably be like tomorrow. But in the meantime,
keep pushing
play. Keep pushing play, y'all. Ooh.